In SAP S/4HANA, version 0 must be assigned to the leading ledger, that is 0L, for all your company codes. CO transactions can write to several ledgers, but they only read data from one ledger, that is 0L. That is not the case in SAP ECC. Let's have a look in SAP ECC on my right hand side. So normally if we go to SPRO and implementation guide screen and then go to controlling node, general controlling, organization, and under organization we don't have any option where we can define leading ledger to the CO or controlling. So if I go to SAP S/4HANA and see if that option is required in S/4HANA, so I will go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling, general controlling, organization, and I have got this option, define ledger for CO version. So this option is not available into SAP ECC. So how we can define ledger for CO version? So just execute it and create new entries and just type your controlling area. My controlling area is AZ01, version is 0, which is the standard version, or which is the plan or actual version for CO, and ledger, leading ledger is 0L, and then you can save it. Just ignore the warning and save your entry. So that's how we can define ledger now for our controlling area.